Well, hello there. I'm so glad that you're joining me today in my kitchen because I want to show you how easy it is to make your very own protein bars. These are so delicious, so much better than what you can buy in the store. I'm excited to share this recipe with you, so hang with me because it's that time to get cooking. So you will need some protein powder, and I'm using this organic vanilla flavored protein powder. And you'll need 3/4 of a cup. And then I'm also going to be using some organic creamy peanut butter, and you'll need 1.5 cups. Then you will need some honey. You could also use maple syrup, and you'll need 1/4 of a cup. And then begin to mix it together. Now I have switched to a glove. It just makes it a little bit easier because it does have a dough-like consistency. Then what I have here is a loaf pan and some parchment paper, and I'm just going to place that dough into my loaf pan, pressing it down firmly. Then you'll need 1/2 cup of chocolate chips and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Then microwave for 1 minute till the chocolate is melted and it is nice and smooth. Then pour the chocolate over your peanut butter dough. Spread it out evenly. Then I'm sprinkling a little bit of the Celtic sea salt right over top. Then you'll want to put it in the refrigerator just until that chocolate sets. Then you can lift it right out of the pan and cut it into bars. And just look at these. Don't they look amazing? Oh my goodness. It tastes almost like peanut butter fudge with chocolate on top. It's smooth, it's creamy. Oh. And if you're looking for a quick protein snack, then give these a try. Well, thank you all so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless. And as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.